Hello, crypto world. Welcome to the Chart Historian. My name is Justin, and on this channel, I delve deep into crypto charts, exploring chart structures, fractals, and patterns. So today I have the Casper chart open, and I would like to make a prediction on what I believe Casper is going to be doing next. So if you are not familiar with my overall thesis on Casper, please watch my previous video on Casper here. Now, I believe Casper is a repetitive structure, and as of now, we have completed all of this on today's chart. We are currently in this structure right here, and in particular, we're in this little blue box right here. Let's zoom in on this and get a better picture of this so we can have an understanding of what this fractal does. So in this structure here, it starts with a move up, it drops, it goes flat for the most part, it moves back up again, and it winds its way down to a point. And I believe we have, for the most part, come to the completion of this. There might be a little bit left in it. After this, there is a bounce right here, and in this instance, it goes sideways and then drops. Now, this has repeated over here. Zoom out a little. It's the same structure, and every time a fractal repeats, the timing, the height, and the depth, they're always going to be unique, so it lends to a unique overall appearance, but the structure should be the same. So here we have the same thing happening. It moves up, it drops, goes flat, moves up again, and kind of winds its way down to a point. So here, there was that little bounce that happened here, which is this right here. And instead of going flat, it kind of went downward at a slant. So that is also a possibility for today's chart. So now that we have an idea of what we have completed and what is still pending, let's jump over to today's chart and examine this structure over here. I'm going to copy and paste this fractal and adjust it to today's timing, height, and depth, and we can see how it is matching up. Okay, so here we are on today's chart. Here's that move up. It went sideways. Now this time it moved up, and I had to stretch this part out quite a bit more, but it's still, as you can see, it's still the same kind of basic structure. So it is my belief, and here's my prediction right here. I believe Casper will soon start moving up and do a bounce, something similar to this, after which it will go sideways and then drop, or potentially down at an angle. So again, I believe we should expect in the coming days for Casper to do this bounce right here. So that's what I'm looking for on Casper. Now, this is on a day candle chart, so it may take some time for it to materialize, whereas if we jump back to the beginning, this was on an hour candle, which was a much faster rendition of this overall structure. So today's Casper is moving at a much slower pace than it did in the very beginning of its conception. So here we are back at today's chart. So we will see how this plays out, but that is my prediction. It will move up and do a bounce. This could be the beginning of it. We'll have to see how that develops, but it should be happening soon. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, it'd be much appreciated if you can hit that thumbs up button. And you know, if this is something that you find interesting, you should hit that subscribe button. I will be continuing to post videos as this chart progresses and make predictions. One important thing to note, I am not a financial advisor, so none of this should be used or construed as financial or investment advice. I'm so glad you caught this video. I hope you catch my next one. Have a great day, and bye for now.